set off. Sir, would you be so kind and shut this off? Hello, I don't...
Why the floor when you can use your big sister as a bed? Really understands the concept of work-life balance.
Tito, how did you get your head through our curtain?
Vine a hacer eso. ¿Cuál es tu problema? Mochi. ¿Cuál es tu problema?
Yeah, look at her.
Kitty, look.
Doggo's trying to upgrade this bucket to a swimming pool.
Are you man?
That was a 10.
Spa day or stand-up comedy. Either way, I nailed the snowman look.
Good boy. Okay. Okay. You're okay. It's okay. You want mama to get it for you? Mama will get it for you, okay?
Hey, Boone. Treat. Boone. Do you want cake? You want some cake?
Dugan, blow!
Wow. Crazy.
Hi, baby.
No, you stay. Okay.
Bago. Hindi tayo bagat. Yeah. Hindi ba yato?
Well, I found the peanut butter. Hey, Joey.
Acrobatics is unlocked. Level Nosy Ninjas.
Hi, baby.
No, you stay. Okay.
Why the floor when you can use your big sister as a bed?
feet. Games. Okay, cash feet.
Put it too far in.
Okay.
Alexa, you fetch it. It's only a frisbee, pick it up. Kanaveri. Kanaveri. Oh, right now.
Wiggy, wiggy, wiggy.
Chai.
One blanket. Two blankets. Good morning.
Ellie.
You know, it's hard to actually fill it when...
Paco. Onde tem bagat? Yeah. Onde bagat? Yeah.
This is not a walk, this is a rom-com reunion scene.
Dugan! Hello!
Dogs aren't just cute, they're comedy legends. Hit that like and get ready to laugh.
Looking for the boys. Mix. One for Bear. One for Arlo. Yeah.
Let go of it. I can't throw it unless you let go of it. I can't throw it unless you let go of it. I can't throw it unless you let go of it. Teeth.
Puppy attack! Puppy attack!
Luna! 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 Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Tito, how did you get your head through our curtain? Bro.
That nosy neighbour who knows.
What are you doing?
Up there.
Looking for the boys. Mix. One for Bear. One for Arlo.
Stinky little baby, you need a shower.
You and Dad are gonna eat?
And I'll do it for you. You are the star of ATV.
Ridiculous. You just slumped and then slumped again.
No.
£20 right here. All 20 pounds of weight.
Having a drink from the tap and doing his licky thing. He's done this ever since he was a kid.
This is the most canine version of We Need to Talk.
You did it, you did it, you did it. You liked it?
男生啊，我就搞不懂了，这个楼。
你走路不觉得这是难的？别关键。
Okay. There you go.
You can sleep.
She drops her ball, and then she runs behind the corner and hides from him.
Let him out. Let him out.
Come on, bud. Yeah. Okay, good.
Got your bowl? Are you just sitting and waiting? I got you some chicken.
Who needs enemies when your leg is the biggest threat?
Stop!
Teamwork oder was? Ey, du musst das so rausholen, Gusti. So ist Mist. Warte, ich hol's raus.
Sí, perfecto.
Dice que sí. Aquí lo está chequeando. A ver, ya se asomó el Batman.
You're such a good boy. Oh my God.
Okay, thank you, buddy. Let me see. Okay. Oh, that's my sandwich.
No. Oh my God. Ridiculous. You just slumped and then slumped again. No.
Можешь брать? Ну неси на кассу тогда. Неси на кассу. Дверь считай.
He went up there and he was coming back down towards us and he goes... No. Oh my God. He went up there and he was coming back down towards us and he goes...
She stole a bag of soil and is rolling in it while soaking wet. Really? Does this seem like a good life?
Oh my God, who ate the pizza?
That envelope is not a magic tool. It's not going to roll the slice back. But when
At this point, we just need a...
você acha disso que você fez, hein?
That nosy neighbor who knows. What I literally eat to have my dream summer body. Why not there? This is betrayal documented. Okay.
What are you doing? You stuck?
No, down. 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 Down.
Stop! Stop!
Grass, more like a slip-and-slide runway for my pup.
She drops her ball, and then she runs behind the corner and hides from him.
Where's the towel? Put it back. That's what you get.
Still insists on playing hide and seek.
Where's the towel? Put it back. That's what you get.
Dog logic. If no one sees me being weird, did it even happen?
Jesus Christ.
Doggo's trying to upgrade this bucket to a swimming pool.
Where are you going?
Mama told me not to, I did it anyway, misbehaving. Daddy said don't, but I said it anyway.
There's a what?
There's a spinner.
Where, by the popcorn?
By the noodles.
Isn't that cute? Did you make it?
Jet! Let him out!
What are you doing?
I think he's kind of pissed.
Batman, ¿cómo la llevan, hijo? Pregúntale, gordo.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? What you looking at?
Batman, ¿cómo la llevan, hijo? Pregúntale, gordo.
Rules. He calls it mobile home.
Sí, perfecto.
Dice que sí. Aquí lo está chequeando. A ver, ya se asomó el Batman.
Your dream is clean fur.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
You want something? You want something? You want something? Hey!
Set off. Sir! Would you be so kind and shut this off? Hello, I don't...
Ну неси на кассу тогда. Неси на кассу. Дальше.
Grass, more like a slip-inside runway for my pup.
Good boy. Okay. Okay. You're okay. It's okay. You want mama to get it for you? Mama will get it for you, okay?
但是啊，我就搞不懂了这个楼。
Hello? Oh, yes. Just make yourself at home.
Excuse me, sir. I'm sorry to interrupt your afternoon squirrel patrol. I need to ask you a quick question. How does it feel to be deemed inherently aggressive? Can't be trusted around children, can't be trusted around other dogs, not allowed certain public places. All because of the way that you look.
At Stourbridge Town only. This train is formed of one carriage. Platform 1.
Are you just sitting and waiting? I got you some chicken.
Vente, vente, vente. Vente. No te hace nada. No te hace nada, no te hace nada. Órale, güey. Vámonos.
No way.
Birthday to you guys. All right, come.
Okay.
Happy birthday.
Acrobatics is unlocked. Level Nosy Ninjas. His ears got more rhythm than half the dancers out there.
Okay, thank you, buddy. Let me see. Okay. Oh, that's my sandwich.
Poppy, are you trying to get in the pocket? I don't know if you can. Was it? Run away, baby. The fall must follow you. You better get away. Oh my gosh. What happened here? Did you do this? Did you do that?
Get your toy. Get it.
Premiere, Indiana Bones and the quest for the legend.
Ellie.
She didn't choose the royal life chose her. Who needs enemies when your leg is the biggest threat?
Oh my goodness. You're so fast.
Somebody tell him this isn't NASCAR, or don't. He's vibing.
He was wobbling so hard.
Olive, what are you doing?
Daddy!
You want pets? What happens if I pet your brother? Give you pets? Okay, but what?
You and Dad are gonna eat?
You have to
There it goes. There it goes. Get in there. Get that ball. Get it.
Hey.
Thanks for watching. That's it from our four-legged comedians. Keep smiling and see you next time.
Where are you going?
Michael!
There's a what?
There's a spinner.
Where, by the popcorn?
Guys and doodles.
Let him out. Let him out.
Oh my God.
This? Who did this? No. Why? Why does it look like this?
Having a drink from the tap and doing his licky thing. He's done this ever since he was a kid.
No. Down. 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 Down.
You know, it's hard to actually fill it when...
Still insists on playing hide and seek.
What are you doing? Are you stuck? She stole a bag of soil and is rolling in it while soaking wet. Really? Does this seem like a good life?
I'm not sure, but is this a ghost?
Ну что там получается, все? На, может, ключ? На, ключ, на.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Oh, this handsome intruder. He knows my every move.
Look at me.
what I literally eat to have my dream summer body.
I go backwoods and some lottery tickets. Really? Out of lottery tickets?
Just scooping the menu to see if they serve Michelin kibbles.
Jesus Christ.
It's not just a tug of war, it's a silent sibling toy showdown.
Fetch! Fetch it! Where's the frisbee? What are you...
On l'a fait. Je m'excuse, Lou.
Just scooping the menu to see if they serve Michelin kibbles.
I mean, girls, come on. Come on. There you go. Good girl. Come on.
Trufis, pata. Bien.
Spa day or stand-up comedy. Either way, I nailed the snowman look.
Well, I found the peanut butter. Hey, Joey.
Hey Mum, I found the weirdest rock ever.
20 pounds right here. All 20 pounds of weight.
¿Cuál es tu problema? Mochi. ¿Cuál es tu problema?
He's such a good boy. Oh my God.
Love you. I love you. Good girl. I love you.
Rules. He calls it mobile home.
Trufis, pata. Bien.
Oh, this handsome intruder. He knows my every move.
Oh, God, it's so good.
This? Who did this? No. Why? Why does it look like this?
This is the most canine version of We Need to Talk.
Can I get a...
Do you want to go to Dunkin' Donuts?
Oh my God.
Oh God. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Churreirado. Você que não teve tem que passar pela experiência. É bom demais chegar em casa e ver isso aqui, ó. Olha que coisa maravilhosa.
Okay, sit. No, sit. 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 Good girl. No, sit. Sit. Good girl. No.
Jet! Let him out!
Excuse me, sir. Yes, quick question for you.
Dogs aren't just cute, they're comedy legends. Hit that like and get ready to laugh.
It's you. It's you. It's just you. When
Ouch.
Puppy, are you trying to get in the pocket? I don't know if you can